According to our trusted sources at 9 to 5 Mac, it seems like Apple is taking things up with the design of the new iPhones. Forget stainless steel frames. Rumor has it that the iPhone 15 Pro and Ultra will be flaunting titanium frames this time around. And that's not all. Apple is apparently introducing a fresh new color to make this change pop. Say goodbye to gold, folks, because the sleek grey hue is set to take its place. We're hearing that this sophisticated shade might even be called Titan Grey. Now that's a name that packs a punch. Now if you're curious about how this new grey is going to look, our friends at 9 to 5 Mac have put together some renders to give us a sneak peek. They're saying it will be a shade darker than silver or white, but lighter than the classic space black or graphite. A perfect balance of sleekness and sophistication if you ask me. But there's more. The rumor mill is spinning around in harmony with earlier whispers and dummy units, hinting at some sleek features for the iPhone 15 Pro. Picture slimmer bezels that elegantly curve at the edges, a rounded back panel that just feels oh so good in your hand. And hold on to your seats, a programmable button replacing the old mute switch. Talk about an upgrade. And remember that stunning deep purple option from the iPhone 14 Pro? Well, it looks like Apple might be switching things up again, swapping it out for a sleek dark blue. Change is the name of the game, it seems. For those of you eyeing the standard and plus models, get ready for a colorful treat. These models are said to strut their stuff in black, blue, green, pink, and yellow finishes. But when do we get to feast our eyes on these new goodies? Mark your calendars for September 12th, because that's when the iPhone 15 series is rumored to be unveiled. Apple might drop the official event date by the end of this month or in early September, so keep those notifications on. Now let's talk about specs. The high-end Pro models are likely to flex their muscles with the 3nm A17 Bionic chip and revamped camera lenses. And for all of you photography lovers, the iPhone 15 Ultra is making waves with whispers of a periscope camera that could zoom in up to 10 times. Hello, photography powerhouse! Now, not to leave the regular models in the dust, they're set to inherit the A16 chip from the iPhone 14 Pro, a snazzy 48-megapixel main camera, and the all-new dynamic island. And guess what? USB-C ports are making an appearance across the board on all iPhones. Now here's the scoop on pricing. These beauties might come with a slightly higher price tag, but don't fret. Carriers are reportedly gearing up to roll out some sweet deals to entice you to take the leap and upgrade. The iPhone 15 Pro and Ultra are gearing up for a grand entrance with the titanium frames, a splash of new colors, and some seriously impressive specs. Keep those eyes peeled for more updates, and until then, stay tuned to Tech Extreme for all the hottest tech news.